Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to create the MPEG4 video file that's going to show up on the Brightsign player. So what I've created here is a template for our Hope lobby with the pre-done dimensions 4096 wide in pixels. I'm just going to come over here and grab my piece of content that I want to play. I'm just going to insert that. There we go. And what I'm going to do is drop a dipped to black in the front and in the end. And so what that'll do is allow the video to play and then fade to black when it gets to the end. So a smooth transition into the next slide. Now I can go ahead and stack multiple ones here if I wanted to. I could just drag the next one down and so on and so on. But I don't want to do that because what I want to do is be able to have the option to have one slide play, then add another slide. But if I come down a week later and say, oh, I need to take this one out, I don't have to recreate the whole video. I just have that one little video to remove. Now I want to go ahead and export the media. I already have a preset here for the Hope lobby. Oops, I lost that. There we go. Let's choose that again. There we go. There's my preset for the Hope lobby, and you'll see there's all my settings. There's my video setting here. Just go ahead and export. It should take about less than a minute to export the whole thing out. Times will vary depending on the speed of your computer, but then that's all you have to do. Quick and easy.